Industry was the mainstay of the economy of a coastal civilization. The ancient Sri Lankan people belonged to that foundation. The main cultivation of the Sinhalese was paddy farming, and agriculture was the main economy as well as the main source of food. Agriculture is the science of farming and plantations. Agriculture is the science of farming, husbandry, and animal husbandry. Agriculture is the science, art, and management of industry. The cultivation of plants and the raising of animals for human use. Beliefs are a prominent concept in this inquiry, as is the identification of what agriculture is. So, what is this concept should be identified? Beliefs are a person's mental image of their religion, culture, and God. It can be recognized as images. Traditional agriculture. There is an old Sinhala saying that the farmer who washes off the mud is fit for kingship. The importance of agriculture is evident from it. In the past, the Sinhalese cultivated 3 seasons, namely Pitadadahasa, Matahasa, and Appalachia. That is, farming activities have been successfully carried out in 3 seasons only in areas that can be provided by tanks throughout the year. Preparing the ground. The most important task in agriculture is to prepare the land for cultivation. Restrictions on women. Farming is popular in view of social context and is totally male-centered. The reason for this is that the Sinhalese villagers are engaged in farming in accordance with the religious beliefs and manners that have existed since ancient times. Therefore, the woman who is considered to be unclean is involved in this process only in some cases. Traditional bed method. In the cultivation of paddy fields, the common method of indentation among the Sinhalese people is that the villager in the Sinhalese society does the indentured farming according to a reasonable measure, where the farmer gets 3/4 of the harvest and the rest goes to the owner. Harvesting. The joy of